What features should be mentioned about KZYEE KC601, 4-in-1 heavy-duty truck scanner? Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because, it has the following features. Fast and accurate 4-in-1 HD OBD functions. Quickly access ECU info, read fault codes, clear fault codes with one-touch efficiency post-repair, and monitor real-time data like a pro. Diagnose key issues fast and accurately. Whether you're diagnosing DDCs or verifying repairs, this heavy-duty diesel scanner gives you the edge in minutes, not hours. Built rugged for heavy-duty trucks and simple enough for first-time users. Full system health check, one tool, total coverage. Scan all key systems in one go: engine, transmission, ABS, instrument cluster, body/chassis, cruise control, and more. No need to switch tools or waste time, everything's built in. Perfect for mechanics and fleet operators who need all-in-one diagnostics on demand. Wide compatibility, June 9, 16-pin plus J1939, J1708 support. Equipped with 6-pin, 9-pin, and 16-pin connectors, and supports key protocols like SAE J1587, J1939, and J1708. Compatible with Cummins, Caterpillar, International, Mack, and over 30+ brands. Repair times, boost efficiency, and maximize uptime with the tool that speaks fluent trucker, because every minute on the road counts. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.